How to watch Netflix in airplane mode. Flying soon, here's how to watch Netflix in airplane mode without Wi Fi. So, first go ahead and install the Netflix app on your device and then log into your account. And then go ahead and click on this download icon at the top right. And then make sure to set up smart download. So, this would allow you to download episodes of your favorite series into your local drive before boarding the plane. So make sure to download the favorite episodes that you have, the favorite movies that you want to watch while flying. And then once on board, make sure to turn on airplane mode, open Netflix, go to downloads, and play your saved titles offline. Choose standard quality to save space or high quality for sharper playback. Remember, downloads expire after a set period.